Hi boys and girls, I just wanted to show you how to navigate with your first lesson in Schoology for Number the Stars for Module 0. It's an introduction. Your assignment is here. Here's this. I could not put these in order, but this is me talking to you. You can click there, it'll download it, but the best thing to do is go over here to View, and a little screen will pop up, and that's me explaining the assignment to you. Let's see here. Okay, they're going to fix that issue, so you're going to have to download it. Let's just see what happens. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay, so you're going to have to download it. So you'll click on that, it'll go into your downloads, and then when you open it, you'll see it there. But I just wanted to show you, you can also view the assignment. And you can type right on the download version. You can't type on this. Okay, you have to actually download it, and you can do that here, or I'm going to close that. You can click on this, and it'll go into your downloads, and you can open it from there. It'll be a Word doc, and then you can definitely type on it. Okay, now for the PowerPoint. When you click on that, it'll go down into your downloads. See it? Right there. There's Monday assignment. Okay. It might go here. So just click there to open the PowerPoint. I already had it open. Okay. You want to go to Slideshow, which is where we are right now. Slideshow. And you're going to do from the beginning. And it'll make it full screen. You can look at it, and then all you have to do is kind of click, and it'll take you through the slides. I know you can't see the whole slide, but you'll get to look at it. So click to the right, we'll make it move to the right. Your IDR log, you have status of the class at your Microsoft Forms. How to do a Just Right book. You're using Epic right now. Here's Epic. And as you may or may not remember, the 3 types of questions, and here they are. The essential question: how does reading help us build knowledge? How does Number the Stars help us understand friendship and the importance of standing up to discrimination? And our content framing, we are in the wonder stage. What do I notice and wonder about Number the Stars? Also, I just wanted you to see, when you kind of hover, oh, where did it go? You can actually play this. There's your volume, and then there's the play. So I'll show you.
Today we're going to focus on 2 things. First, we're going to focus on these 3 questions, plus 1 extra one. We're also going to build our background knowledge of World War II and the Holocaust to help us understand what will be happening in the novel.
I wonder if you recognize that voice. It's not mine.
Number the Stars.
Okay. We're going to go to the next
Today we're going to
frame.
focus on 2 things.
I can't get out of this. I don't know why. There we go.
Boys and girls, now we're going to work on building some background knowledge on the novel Number the Stars.
Okay.
This is a map of the world. The story takes place in the 1940s. Now we're going to zoom in a little bit closer. So here's a map of Europe. I want you to take notice of
It
Denmark,
should automatically
right
play for you
here.
as long as you have
I
it
also want to
in
look at Norway.
Slideshow.
Okay, now taking one step further, I told you our story takes place in Denmark. It's actually Copenhagen, Denmark. Okay? So now we're going to talk about what was going on in all these different places.
Okay.
During this time, during the 1940s.
Notice how it'll continue to play for you.
II. So why did Hitler and the Nazis do it? Hitler hated Jewish people and blamed them. Ghettos. during World War II when the Nazis took over a city in
Okay. You are in the slideshow mode. It will automatically play.
Europe.
Okay.
They would force
So you
all
can
of
go
the
ahead
Jewish
and listen to the whole thing, and that will help you answer the question. All right? Okay, you guys, you got this.